All right, the next problem that I thought would be helpful is at the bottom of your first page where it says solve by factoring, and it's the last problem on the page on the bottom right corner where it says 4x cubed equals 3x. Okay, so we do have to solve, and there's an equals plus the directions say solve. So if you look at your flow chart at the very top, because you're solving, then it always says equals 0. So to get that equal to 0, subtract your 3x. 4x to the third minus 36x, and so that equals our 0, okay? Then we could use our calculator. You might not have a graphing calculator with you, so we have to go to the factoring, which is step 3 anyway. So again, we go through our flow chart. The first thing in factoring is always the GCF. So between these two terms, 4x is our GCF. Then what we have left is an x squared. Divide that by 4x and you get minus 9. All right, and then you've got the 3 branches of your flow chart. This is not a trinomial. It's not 4 terms, but it is a pattern, and it's our squared pattern. So x squared minus 9 breaks down to x times x. And then negative 9 is a positive 3 and a negative 3. Bring down the GCF from the beginning. So each of these is a factor. So since we have to solve, since it says equals 0, that means that each of these equals 0. So 4x equals 0. When you divide by 4, you get x is 0. There's one solution. Okay, x plus 3 equals 0. You subtract your 3 over. Remember, our solutions are the opposite of our factors. So when you subtract it over, you get a negative 3. There's a second answer. And then x minus 3 equals 0. That will give us our third answer. Again, it's the opposite. So we add 3 over, and it's a positive 3. All right, always remember to double check how many solutions we should have had. We should have had 3 solutions since our highest exponent is 3. And here they are, 0, negative 3, and positive 3. Those are our 3 solutions.